Hi guys, this is Ibo from Revolutionary School. We're going to do the lesson with Reina.
Yeah,
today.
I'm Reina. I'm a student here. We're gonna shoot our lesson for you guys.
We're going to do a lane change. We always signal first. We just let people know left lane. We're going to go to left. Beautiful. So for the lane change, we have to do signal first, and then mirror check. And if it's clear, then blind spot check, and then move. That's what we do. Okay. We're going to do one more left lane. We can switch to the left. Signal, mirror. Blind spot, if it's clear, you can switch on. I'm going to take a left turn here, slow down. Check your mirror, blind spot again, just to make sure. Nicely done. On the turns, we always cover the brake, so which means we keep the foot on the brake in case something comes up, because we don't know on the street what's waiting for us.
Okay.
Gonna keep going straight. You can stop right by the first white line, that's for us. So when you stop, you want to see the crosswalk fully, pretty much, okay?